All right, so it is morning of day 4, and it's gonna be a big day. We got Lee from Muffler Man back there doing the exhaust. That will save us a bunch of time. After that, we gotta get the car down here on jack stands because Larry and the crew from TMI will be here to do a full interior. Door panels, seats, carpet, trunk kit. We already had the headliner in because we had to have the windshield out to do that, so they did that last week. And when TMI is in there, we're gonna be around the engine bay doing all the sheet metal, wiring, plumbing. So I'm gonna let Lee get to work. Why don't you guys check out some of the paint work on the 55.
My name's Craig Williams, and I'm with BASF out of Wasco here in Columbus, Ohio, and we're getting ready to shoot the 55, and we're going to talk about some of the products we're going to be using on it today. We're going to start off with this sealer. It's a new sealer from R&M. It's 875 and 876. Great sealer, dries solid. You can sand it, denib it if you need to. It's white and it's black, so you can make any shade of gray that you need to make. So once we have that foundation down, we're going to go over it with Dymont base coat. And Dymont's a good polyester base coat, dries firm. Same way if you have to denib, if you have to fix anything, it's very user-friendly. So we'll get that down, and then once that's good and dry and we have that where we want it, we're going to shoot the 5300 clear over it. 5300 is a good glamour clear. If you're baking, it can be baked and ready to sand in about 40 minutes. If not, you're looking at about 3 hours, and it'll be ready to work with. So that's pretty much the process we're going to do. We're going to do the red and silver two-tone. We're going to have the red on the lower part and the silver on the upper two-tone part. So while I'm in there, I'm going to be using my 3M VersaFlow fresh air system. So anxious to try that out. 3M is one of their newer fresh airs that's out. So we're about ready. I guess me and David will get at it and start spraying.
Okay, so what we got is Hot Rods by Dean radiator setup. It's really cool for the Tri-5s.
Okay.
What I like about this option is I don't think anybody has. We got a removable top bar here in case you want to take your motor and trans out without taking out the whole system. So that's like the best option on here. Nice. We're gonna start putting this together and putting it in the car and giving it a go.
Straight? God, you scared me. I thought the car fell. Why you have to do that?
You're right. How did you think the car fell when you're staring at it and it didn't move?
I wasn't staring at it. I was
Why?
Someone jack that up a little.
A little more? I got it.
I got an inch. Larry, what's happening, man?
What's happening, man? What's going on?
This is it, huh?
This is everything. You're all ready to go.
So this door panel, seats, trunk kit, floor, everything.
Everything is in. So you got your console, you got your visors, I mean, rear package tray, rear seat. I mean, everything is ready to bolt in.
Right now we're finishing up the Painless Pro Series chassis harness for the Tri-5 Chevys. So we're basically moving all the wires that we're hanging up into the dash so TMI Interiors can start doing their interior.
So what's unique about these cars, these custom builds, shifter locations are always in different spots. So we've done it where you measure where your shifter is going to go, and you cut a hole into it, and then it has a shifter boot that actually will install in whatever placement you have your console in and stuff. So he's actually doing that right now.
Yeah, if you bend the tabs over.
All right, now I'm going to install the United Pacific LED taillights and reverse lights.
What we've got here is to mount all your front end sheet metal. There's a kit that Dan Chuck sells, part number 791. It's called a front end sheet metal fastener kit. And it fastens everything from your hood hinges all the way forward. Your inner fender wells, everything. I mean, it's this whole complete kit right here. And it really makes the job super easy. So, thing to get.
Getting ready to put the Dan Chuck bumper. It's actually a smoothie bumper, so it removes all your outside bolts, so it's a lot cleaner. And we're gonna mock it up right now. Got some tape on here to make sure we don't hit the car. You got yours in, Mike? You can't even see it. We'll probably need a drift.
All right, so we are kind of late in the night on day 4. TMI guys came in and kicked ass, and interior looks nice. Completed too. On the flip side of that, we did get no wiring done today, and we have a ton left to do. The core support's in, radiator's in, all that plumbing's done. AC is wrapped up finally, so that is a good thing, but we have so much wiring to do. Still got to hang the fenders, the grill, hood, and a bunch of more stuff. Don't want to be all dramaed out, so I'm not going to be. We have a good, strong team. We got another day left. We'll wrap this car up tomorrow, fire it up, and ride off into the sunset.